In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the TurboTax dashboard. Once you've signed in to your TurboTax account, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is the central place where you can move through your return, check your progress, and access helpful tools. If you're opening TurboTax after a previous session, this is also where you can quickly pick up where you left off. One of the first things to notice is the left sidebar. This is your main navigation area, and it helps you move between the key sections of your return. You'll typically see options like My Info, Federal, State, Final Review, and File. Each of these sections represents a different stage of the tax filing process, so if you need to jump to a specific part of your return, this sidebar is the fastest way to do it. If you're ready to continue working, look for the Continue Filing button. Clicking this will resume your tax return and take you back into the area where you last stopped. This is especially useful if you're working through your taxes in multiple sessions and want a simple way to continue without searching through the menu. At the top of the dashboard, you'll also see your current federal and state refund estimates. These amounts update based on the information you've entered so far. They can give you a quick snapshot of where your return stands, but remember that the numbers may change as you continue entering details and completing more sections. Another useful feature on the dashboard is the Ask AI Anything search bar. You can use this tool to look up topics, find specific areas in the platform, or get help if you're unsure about what to do next. It's a convenient option when you want quick guidance without leaving the page. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find options related to expert assistance and tax review. This area is helpful if you want extra support, whether that means asking for guidance or reviewing your return before filing. Next, scroll down to the Resources section. This part of the dashboard includes additional tools and account-related options. From here, you can expand areas like My Account or Tax Returns and Docs to access more settings, documents, and return information. These sections are useful when you need to manage your account or review saved tax documents. Once you've located the area you want to work on, simply select that section and continue your tax return. The dashboard is designed to keep everything organized, so as long as you know where these main tools are, moving through TurboTax becomes much easier. Thanks for watching.